Amid the controversy around the film Pushpa 2, Telugu actor Allu Arjun's father will be meeting with Chief Minister Revanth Reddy today, along with other members of the Telugu film industry. Now, it is also Allu Arjun's father who's announced a sum of 2 crore rupees for the family of the 35-year-old woman who died in the stampede at Hyderabad's Sandhya Theatre this month. 1 crore will be paid by the actor, and the remaining will be paid by the film's producer and the director. Now, following that tragic stampede during the screening that took place of the premiere show of Pushpa 2 just ahead of its release, the Telangana film producers body will be meeting with the Chief Minister. Do remember that the Chief Minister has raised many questions regarding Allu Arjun and his presence at that Sandhya Theatre when he was denied permission, given how congested the area was, and the presence of the actor could perhaps cause an untoward incident, and yet the actor showed up at the theatre. Who's really to be blamed here? Of course, the Chief Minister has been blaming the actor, and of course the opposition there hitting back at the Chief Minister, saying that there's other work to concentrate on rather than targeting the actor.
देखिए, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में स्पेशली तेलुगु एक्टर्स ने अगर आप उनका योगदान देखें तो फिल्म को और भारतीय सिनेमा को ग्लोबल मैप पे ले जाने का उन्होंने काम किया है, और कुछ लोग उनको फ्लोर मैट पे लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। जहां एक और नेशनल अवार्ड नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार में अल्लू अर्जुन जी को मिला, चिरंजीवी जी को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला। मुझे लगता है किसी कंट्रोवर्सी को खड़ा करने की बजाय प्रयास होना चाहिए कि संवाद हो, सुरक्षा का ख्याल रखा जाए, ना कि राजनीति की जाए।
So to get more on this, we have my colleague Tanushka joining us from Hyderabad, and also we have Uma joining us. Uma, over to you first. Who all are going to be at that very crucial meeting that's coming up, which, you know, there are going to be talks regarding in order to sort of de-escalate the tensions that have arisen. Take us through, you know, the Chief Minister who's been targeting the actor, so is what the opposition has been claiming. What is it that the Chief Minister really wants here? Because, you know, we just heard Anurag Thakur saying that, you know, it's time to sort of come up with solutions and not really escalate the issues at hand.
So targeting would really be the wrong word. The police have booked a case against Allu Arjun, naming him as accused number 11 in this stampede-like situation that happened outside Sandhya Theatre at the premiere on the December 4th, and one woman who died and another child has been in the ICU for the last 3 weeks now. Today at the Integrated Command and Control Center, which is really the police headquarters here, there at the conference room is where the film personalities are going to be meeting with the Chief Minister, and we are expecting that top guns of the film industry in Tollywood, including FDC chairperson Mr. Dil Raju, Mr. Chiranjeevi, Venkatesh, Allu Arvind, who is also a very prominent producer, all of them are expected to be there at the meeting. And on behalf of the government, it's not just the Chief Minister, but also Deputy Chief Minister Mr. Batti Vikramarka, as well as you know, his cinematography minister Mr. Komat Reddy Venkat Reddy, and Mr. Uttam Kumar Reddy, who is a senior minister, civil supplies minister. All of them are going to be representing the government. Three things on the agenda, I would think. One, of course, is to break the ice that has seemed to have developed a situation of hostility that is being perceived, at least in the public domain, between the government and the film industry. And both sides actually have de-escalated or attempting to de-escalate the tension, especially after the Chief Minister sounded pretty upset that the film industry had publicly sought to express support for Mr. Allu Arjun after his arrest, and subsequently that they had not, you know, they had not tried to go and reach out to the family that was most affected by the tragedy, but that they had queued up to go and meet Mr. Allu Arjun after he spent a night in jail. But second thing that is very important in this context is that there are very big Sankranti releases that are coming up. Sankranti is the mid-January harvest festival, and it's a big season of releases. And you have Game Changer is a name of a film which is being produced by Mr. Dil Raju, in which Ram Charan actor is there, and Venkatesh also has another film that is coming up, Sankranti Ki Ustunamu, and there is another film of Ajit as well. So all all those are big films that will be released around Sankranti, and presumably after the Chief Minister announced that there will be no hike in ticket rates, no special concessions, no bonuses, no premiere shows, all of that will be a little difficult for the industry, and therefore they have first of all, on the instructions of the Chief Minister, is what Mr. Dilraju himself has said. They had gone to the hospital, met with the family, and they are trying to garner resources, and already they have announced about 2 crore rupees that is to be given to the family. And yesterday the formal handing over, not directly through these people, happened. And yes, today all that will also come up, because they would like those concessions to be withdrawn. Of course, after that we are expecting that the Chief Minister will be leaving around 11 for Belagavi, where of course the 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi becoming the INC president. This is the special session of CWC. Back to you.
Right, thank you so much, Uma, for those details. Of course, Tanushka also with us. Tanushka, a very crucial meeting that we've been speaking about that's going to come about with, the big wigs of the Telugu film industry who will be there. But it's not the actor Allu Arjun who's going to be there. It's his father who's going to be going there on his behalf.
Right, exactly, Divya. I'm currently standing outside the Integrated Control and Command Center, as you can see behind me, which is exactly where the meeting is going to take place, which is also the police headquarters, wherein the film industry will be meeting these officials from the government. Senior ministers are also going to be present here from the government, not just the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, but also the Deputy Chief Minister, the Cinematography Minister, the State Health Minister as well, Mr. Damodar Rajanarasimha, is also going to be here, along with crucial faces in very known faces, prominent faces from the film industry, such as that of Chiranjeevi, Venkatesh. As Uma already mentioned, that this meeting is going to take place right here from around 10 a.m. onwards between Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, as well. The Telangana Film Development Corporation's chair, Mr. Dilraju, is also going to be present here. Remember, Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, as well as Mr. Dilraju, yesterday went to the KIMS hospital, wherein this 9-year-old is being treated, and announced for a 2 crore rupees trust fund in the name of this child. So of course this meeting, we're looking forward to this meeting, and it's going to decide a lot upon the ties between the government and the film industry at this point, as Uma already mentioned, with these big releases also looking forward in the Sankranti season. So this meeting is very important to to make the situation easier, or easen up the situation rather, between the film industry and the government. Back to studio.